All right. So what I have done is I have gone to the ImageJ website. Okay. So let me just go back to that website. So you see, this is the website you will see. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now it says this very nice new feature has come in, which is to run ImageJ in the browser itself. So I've clicked that. Is that fine?
Yeah.
So I come to this browser and it will now pop out a menu for me. Okay. Just give me a second and I will, yes, the menu has come in, right? So here what I'm doing is I'm opening one of the image files that you sent me. Okay. So this is, I'm just opening, just give me a second, select from the local file. And I have selected which one you want. Let me take this one, whatever that is. Okay. Okay. So this is a really bad image in terms of, alignment and whatnot. So let's see whether we can do better. All right. So now that we have this, so let me, rather than analyzing the whole image, I know that the information is at the center right here. So let me just select that part so that I make my life a little easier.
Okay.
Right. So what I'm doing is I'm just selecting this part.
Okay.
Right. And I am now going to my edit image and I'm simply saying the following, that clear outside.
Okay.
Right. So that, I can basically, this is my image.
Okay. Okay.
Right. And now what I'm doing is also, I am just, because it's too little for me to draw things, I'm kind of, putting the what do you call it, this magnifying glass tool, and I'm expanding it a little bit. Let me bring it back into focus. See, there you go. Right.
That looks like a nice reflection pattern.
Yes, okay. Yes, right. And I can, maybe I also rotate it so that this is just my craziness. Image, I can go to image. I can do all kinds of stuff, by the way. So these guys are, and your transform, you can rotate it 90 degrees to the right, whatever. There you go. And I can also now make sure that I am zoomed in.
Okay. So that's nice.
There you go. Right. That's our image. Now let me use there is something called a line tool and a square tool. So I use this line tool, which is there on the menu, right? And I draw the line across which I want the feature.
Okay.
Right. This is my feature I want. Can you see my
and that line need not be horizontal line. I mean,
can
it
you
could
see
be
this
tilted.
little line which I have drawn?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So it is good that it need not be horizontal line. It is a little tilted line. So that looks like that works as well.
It happens to be tilted in our case, but we can also use a square tool. Let me just show you what this is, right?
No,
then I will use another tool and show you what we can do.
This is fine for now, huh?
This is nice, right? Yeah.
Plot profile.
Now let me look at now I'm plotting the profile. So I go to my analyze, right? And something called plot profile. So I just plot what the profile is. There is.
Oh, excellent.
You have a pixel at the bottom and you have the values at the top. That's it.
The central
as simple as that. Now let us compare this with a square tool. Same image, okay? So I'm going to the square tool, like which kind of, yeah. So it will sort of average it a little bit, maybe, I don't know. So let me just take that square tool and make it a little larger, right? Compare. So this kind of averages it across the tool, right? And I do the same exercise. Analyze, say plot profile. Brilliant.
Oh, fantastic. This is so good.
It is just amazing actually as a tool. Now you can do a lot more, by the way. So you want to now save this data. So come to here, data, and you can save the data. And you want to say, just say save data. And then it says me that I can save it in a file called, it's a text file, which is, so I'm just opening that file. And I have got an Excel that opens and you have a X column and Y column. Now you do whatever you want with this.
Wow, this is fantastic.
This is just amazing tool. And one can do actually a lot. Now that I'm looking at the menu, I'm very impressed with this. So let me just show you the other picture that maybe open one more just for the heck of it.
Which is slightly better, huh?
For completeness, because that was a much, right. Look at this, right? So I can, so it is kind of sort of tilted, you know, so our data is not good.
Mm-hmm.
It won't be fit in a straight line,
Mm-hmm.
but suddenly the square tool will average it beautifully.
Mm-hmm.
So let me just do this.
Mm-hmm.
I take my square tool.
Mm-hmm.
I select the portion for which I want my features.
Yeah.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
And now I will go back here, look at analyze and plot the profile.
Mm-hmm. Oh, fantastic. Yeah.
Now compare this with a linear tool, okay, which is very nice actually, because you know this kind of averages out the noise.
Yeah.
But now look at the linear tool. I did so let me sorry.
Because the background area for this one was
Correct,
much larger.
much larger. So let me look at this image tool.
Mm-hmm.
And let me go back here.
The other
no,
one.
sorry, the other one. See, so I am looking at now, and clearly I can't fit in the line very, very carefully because I did tilted. But whatever be it.
No, but this is okay.
This is, let's say,
and
okay. I now let us say that I analyze, go back to my plot profile.
This is so good. So middle one is saturated. This is perfectly
absolutely,
fine. Yes,
absolutely. So you know that you need to put some kind of a filter to block the light so that the center doesn't get saturated. There you go. It's so much learning, you know. It's an amazing tool.
Well, then why don't you do the other one as well, which is the best picture we had, and then we'll see the quality there.
Acha. So now the other one I will have to, I did not import it from my WhatsApp. That's a problem. But I think you get the message, right?
Yeah, I think then it's fine. Yeah, I mean, if it works for this bad image, then it'll definitely work for the good one.
It's certainly, it is just amazing. Very, very impressive. So I think this is a way to do it. Fine. And it's simple. You don't have to download any software. It is simply on this website and run it online.
What is that?
As simple as that.
Can you show the name?
So I will show you back that name. We can really share that website. So this is basically NIH, National Institute of Health. So Image J. Just, I mean, you search for Image J. That's what I did.
Fine.
And it says this comes with this website. You just that's it. Come in here, run the image in the browser. You're done.
Okay.